Hello everyone, I am Shashwati Pal Sarkar of B.Ed 4th semester from Siliguri Terai B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teachers Training College. I am from English method and today I will be taking a English class, and today my topic is.
So let's get started to our today's topic. And today's our topic is letter writing. Now, when we hear the word letter writing, what is the first thing that comes to our mind? Letter writing means writing a letter where you can convey your messages in a writing form. So, what is the purpose of writing a letter? First of all, writing a letter serves many purposes. However, the basic purpose of a letter is to convey a message. There are different types of letters, such as personal letters, business letters. Personal letters are written from one person to another and may contain a person's thoughts and feelings, whereas a official letter is a letter which is written for the official purpose, where you can write your problems, or if you want any permission, then you can write the formal letter. So writing letter means where you can write the basic, where you can convey your messages. Okay. Before, when there were no telephones or there were no mobile phones, what the people used to do, they used to convey their message in a writing form. So today we will learn how to write. Today we will do the formal letters. Okay, we will learn how to write a formal letter, because writing a formal letter is also a very important thing in a proper way. So for writing a formal letter, there are many points that is to be remembered. First is address of the sender, means who is writing the letter needs to write their address. Then leave some space and write date. Then again name of the addressee, who is writing the letter. Then address of the addressee, means to whom you are writing the letter. Then you will have to write the salutation. Salutation means you are giving the respect, like respected sir or respected ma'am. Then again you will have to write the subject, means what is the topic of the, means you are writing the letter. Then comes the introduction part, where you can write the introduction, where you will write about the topic of the given letter. Then comes body, where you will write where you can write the full information. Then again conclusion, where you will conclude. Then closing, then name of the sender. Here is the sample given for you, which is a very important letter, that is sample school leave letter for a wedding. Most of the times we write the formal letter in the schools only, right? So here is a format of a letter which will help you. See, very first it is written from Avinash Desar, 304 Wind Towers, Hillside, Sydney. This is the address of the addressee, means who is writing the letter. Then comes date. Then to the principal, Sydney Grammar School, Sydney, means you are writing the letter to whom. You are mentioning the name of the school. Then subject, leave letter for sister marriage. Then comes salutation, respected sir or madam. Then comes, please be informed that my son Abhishek Desar is studying in grade 4 in your school. My sister's wedding ceremony is to be held on 25th February, so my son will not be able to attend school from 24th February to 27th February. Request you to grant him leaves during this period. He will take notes from his friends and complete the school work before rejoining. I shall be very thankful to you for granting leaves. This is the part where you are writing your problem and you are seeking the request to grant the leave. Next is thanking you. Yours sincerely, Avinash Desar, father of Abhishek Desar, grade 4, roll number 25. This type of letter is very important for the students because often you take leave from the school. Whenever you are taking the leave from the school for more than 3 days, you have to write a application to your principal. So this format will help you out to write the letter in a proper manner. Okay, thank you. I hope this session is helpful for you all. So if you are having any problem or if you are having any conclusion, you can feel free to comment on the comment section below. Okay.